In your element, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, in your element. What does it mean? How do you use it? Let's dive in and find out. The phrase, in your element, is used to describe a person who is feeling comfortable, confident, and enjoying what they are doing. It usually implies that the person is in a situation that suits their abilities or personality perfectly. For example, a skilled chef might be in their element while cooking a complex dish. The phrase, in your element, originates from ancient beliefs in alchemy and astrology, where it was thought that everything was composed of 4 elements: air, earth, fire, and water. People believed that being in the place or situation associated with your personal element would bring comfort and strength. Today, we use the phrase more metaphorically to describe being in a favorable or comfortable situation. You can use in your element in various contexts. It's perfect for social, professional, or educational settings. For instance, socially, at the dance floor, Lisa is really in her element. Professionally, as a lawyer in the courtroom, he's definitely in his element. Educationally, in a math competition, she's in her element, solving problems with ease. Remember, when someone is in their element, they are not just doing well, they are thriving and enjoying the process. While using the phrase, avoid these common mistakes. Don't use it to describe someone who is just comfortable. It should convey a sense of excellence and enjoyment. It's in your element, not on your element. Prepositions matter in English. So now you know all about being in your element. It's a fantastic way to express admiration for someone excelling in their natural habitat. Use it to encourage, compliment, or simply recognize someone's talents and comfort zones. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Remember, keep practicing, and soon, speaking English might just become the element you thrive in. See you in the next video.